get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow! G'day, lovelies. Welcome back. Alrighty, I'm still on a break, but I thought I might put up this quick update video and just show you what I've been up to and what I'm still doing. Now, I've been forced inside today because of the weather. So I'm going to do a massive cook up today. See, doing Aussie Girl Can Cook, I never get a chance to cook things that I like that I've already done on the show. Alright, so first up I'm going to make my barbecue chicken pizzas. They are so freaking easy to make and absolutely Moorish. And at the end of this video, I'll put them up. They're old videos, so if you haven't seen them before, definitely give it a crack. They're freaking amazing. So my hand's all banged up from the gardening, so I've got to wear a glove on one hand. And I've got lemons. Why? I've got no idea. What am I going to do with them? Lemon spread, of course. Mate, if you haven't given this a crack yet, I suggest you do. I'll chuck this video up at the end too. Now let's go have a little looky out the backyard, shall we? So this is what I still need to do. And this is what I have done so far. Finally getting a chance to plant everything. So in a couple of months' time, we should be able to walk out the backyard and grab whatever herb we need. This is what I still have to do. And this is what I done. And I know you're all thinking, well, Aussie girl, that's just an empty backyard with grass. Yes, it is, my lovelies. Yes, it is. 9 years I've been waiting for an empty backyard with grass. Then, once I've smashed the backyard out, I'm going to finish off painting this room. I just can't wait. So I'm going to take the next couple of weeks off just to finish the backyard. I've just gone so hard on it and I've done so much. I just want to finish it now. So when I look out that kitchen window, I'm inspired. I would just like to thank you all so much for watching. I would love to thank you all so much for being patient while I get my shit together. I can't wait to get back into it. I plan to start cooking full time again. Look after each other and yourself. I love yous to bits. I'll see you in a couple of weeks. Toodles.